Look what I made.
Put your head on my shoulder.
Hey y'all, I was crying last night because I missed my friends and I had to wake up super early this morning to get my cap and gown because I'm a senior, already know, and my dean keep asking me to vote for people in my senior class and I don't even like them and they don't like me and you know I'm blue. Hey y'all, it's Crystal Jade. Sorry I was venting in the intro, but it was very much needed. But today I'm going to show y'all how to make your own lip scrub. This is good for the winter and cold weather when your lips get dry, and even in the summer when your lips get dry, because I know my lips get dry all the time. So you guys can make this lip scrub and it'll transform your lips like that. So stay tuned. So let's get started. What you will need is a toothbrush, fresh and clean. I suggest newly out the package. Olive oil. A bowl. I have my chrome bowl here. A little pretty chrome bowl. White sugar, I have it in here. I don't know if y'all can see that. And my teaspoon. So what you will do is you will put just a little amount of white sugar in your bowl and you will mix that with olive oil. We're just gonna put a teaspoon of olive oil, more or less, depending on the amount of sugar you put in your bowl. I put a lot, y'all. It's cool if y'all put a lot, it's cool. Mix it up a little bit, you know, mix it. And this is what it looks like. Mix it until it gets like a gooey consistency. And then we're just gonna take our toothbrush and put some of the scrub on our toothbrush and put it on our lips, you know. Yeah. And then we're just gonna scrub it, you know? Scrub all the dead skin off. Scrub it until the dead skin is all off, you know? I'm low-key making a mess. I don't know if y'all noticed, but look at all that falling debris. This low-key feel good. And it's tasty. I apologize for my big pores and acne, but you know. Yeah. Y'all can scrub it for like a minute or so, depending on how much dry skin y'all have on your lips. In my case, I might need to scrub it for 5 minutes, but we're not gonna do that in this video. This video meant to be short anyway, so. Rub your lips together. You can even take some more if y'all want, you know. Okay, that's practically it. You just wash it off or get a wet towel and wipe it off. And then you go about your day. I'm finna wash this off camera and I'll be back with y'all. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I hope I taught y'all something new. Like, subscribe, leave a comment if y'all want to, and stay tuned for more videos on the way. Bye.